The show head that we had, the button we used to switch the different water positions, was broken, so we were stuck on no pressure. This shower head is great with great pressure. Overall a well designed low cost shower head. The water pressure was reduced too much for me to use it. The 10 pressure options are excellent. My hair and skin feel softer all the time. It is nice to be able to lift the shower head from its holder and spray yourself and the shower walls. Removing the head makes it easy to spray everything. It has so many settings that I love. This vastly improved the pressure in our shower. Super easy and good quality. You can't go wrong with this shower head.